Hey, I just know I was finna come on this beat and snap on this shit, right? ZA. K. It's only right? Like, shit. K. I really put on shit. Zap. Said I'll make it, I'ma do it. Devil tryna bring me down, I'ma rebuke it. If you can't hustle, better get a job. And bitch, by the way, my name Kid Omar. I'm in the field with my niggas. I'm in the field with them hitters. Every day my mama pray, cause she know I glisse do the dash and peel and catch you slip, get feed the Haitian flag. I bleed, say fuck a bitch and bleed Sherry, I'm on defense. Rubber bubble through the kilo. She still say my zozo like people. Squeeze her booty like a Cito, gotta stay on poison, lady had a vision. We keep it moving like a kawachu. Hustle hard to get shares with the kawasu. I go crazy like a luga, who ain't no sense in what, but she on the agenda. Hennessy is all I wear. Last night I had a laugh. 2017 I feel a couple Lamborghini, all white like a jet. It's a fact, ain't even gotta tell him that. On my ice says I went through hell and back. What you know about getting your body rubbed down and let Hades, old lady named Autumn Jack? What you know about Mac and Down? What you know about Bookman? What you know about P. My Boo? What you know about the Power Man? I just want diamonds that's wet. I'm tryna coin it, sweat. All this money got me screaming, calling, get stack and flipping, get them packs through the continent, fucking with couples. These booze as we sell up everywhere I go. Asian flag be the drop, surprise them like I don't get green avocado. I love the cake like a gato. Never ever had a silver spoon. Never had a silver key. Wait, Haitians came out of the dark. Wait, now we shining like a lumiere. Wait, now these niggas need a leanet. 100 bands all in the beef. Couple bricks in a gilet, try to rob a nigga, buckle make you feel it. I don't really think they want none. Every Haitian nigga that I know got choppers in the clips looking like bun. Good credit in the streets, no visa. All my family stuck in Haiti, no visa. Before the bus, I caught a jitney. That was Reynolds, you know how these jits be. Hey man, shout out to all the Zoos that was born in the 305. Shout out to all the Zoos that was born in the 509. King B with the motherfucking real Zoos in this motherfucking shit, man. You know.